Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're celebrating the 4th of July with a special family-only party.
That's right, no guesses. This year, just us. We've got a ton of fun plans. So stick around. We have games, food, and of course fireworks.
It's going to be amazing. First, let's get everything set up. We've got a lot to do.
Kids, come help me with the grill.
Yes, Daddy. Me too, Daddy.
I'll hang the flags and streamers.
I'll help Leia and Toby with the sparkly decorations.
I'll set up the music. Let's get some fun tunes going. Time to fire up the grill.
I'll get the burgers and hot dogs ready. Layla and Toby, do you want help with the dessert table? Yes, Mommy.
Who's ready for some Nintendo fun? Leia and I are going to play Kirby Superstar.
The food is ready. Come and get it.
This looks amazing. Don't forget the veggie options for Skipper. Time to get the fireworks ready. I'll help set them up safely.
Safety first, kids. Always have an adult when dealing with fireworks. Wow, it started! Wow, Daddy, look at that one! So cool, Mommy.
Amazing! I've never seen fireworks like these before. Just wait, there are more coming.
This is the best part. Look at all the colors. Wow! We had such a great time celebrating the 4th of July with just our family.
We hope you enjoyed it too. This has been one of the best celebrations we've ever had.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun adventures.
And let us know in the comments what your favorite part of the celebration was.
We can't wait to read your comments. Happy 4th of July, everyone!